Welcome back to another lesson video. My name is Gregory Agid. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you're returning, please drop me a like and leave a comment. Let's begin with growling. Growling is a great way to add emotion to a musical phrase. We growl by simply blowing air through the clarinet and making a growling sound with our throat. And it sounds like this when I'm not playing on the clarinet. Now do it with the clarinet. You can also hum with your throat while you're growling, and that'll add a little more sauce to the growl. Ooh. Remember, y'all, these techniques are best when they're not overused. All right, y'all, have a great day, and I'll catch you later.